Now, might be in a good update. Mama here has some eggs. This one here has a lot of good news. What a beautiful day. On a beautiful day out today, excited because the sun's out. It's supposed to do what I was this here yesterday, but the rain came. I'm going to do something. Clean the aviary. As usual, I'll lock myself in. Hopefully I have everything I need, but if not, I can do that with it. I've decided I'm going to give the old floor a bit of a nice clean. And check on the little bubbers, which we have one right here. A little bubba that's just left the box. See if it's interested. Come on, don't be scared, sweetheart. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. You see, because how it's still new, it's like, unlike the others who are a bit scared. Not scared, you know, they just don't fly to me. What do you mean, Swinson? So, see, it goes, see, like, I'll use one with this one here, watch. Put the glove up, flies away. Because they're never trained to come sit on my lap or let me pick them up. While this one, the greenie, is not a new one. Yesterday when I came in to give water and stuff, this one flew and landed on my shoulder. It's quite adorable. So, I've got to sneeze. There you go. Now I'm going to show you guys how I clean up the aviary. First off, remove the water, empty the water dish because it's a waste. I'm going to go clean that. Clean that anyway. Oh fuck, 2 eggs in there. 3 eggs in there. 6 eggs. Do. Squeeze back out here. I have these little boxes here. Not boxes, idiot. Bags. Which is what I use to fill the seed up. And now I realise I don't have the thing I need to fill them up with. I have to go grab it, so I'll be back. That's what I need, my scooper. Now I'm going to open this. You guys down real quick, so I'm going to work around it. So, you guys there. Ignore that, this isn't being stupid. Because, you know, birds are like budgies, I should say. Fucking stupid little critters they are. And I love them too, so you know. Now, won't be able to film the whole thing because it'll take me about an hour to do this, but I was just trying to show what I do. So I really get this, scoop the ground. Lots of seed goes in there. Then I just continue doing this for like an hour or so. Do that till the bag is full. Now we'll update you guys when the bag is full. So that there is one bag full. Can't see, but made a tiny dent. Now, what I do is pretty simple. I unlatch myself from the cage, walk on out, put it back down, close the door, come out in the beautiful sun. That's one bag ready to go in the bin. That goes in general waste for obvious reasons. I will catch you guys up when it's all complete. Then, update on the babies and my little Ruby. So yeah. And as I will say, the front bit, this bit here is maybe I was clean, done. See all that? Which is dirt. That bit there, really tough to get to, so I can't just leave that as it is. It's this area here I clean because now the quails can dig around and shit. That there's little worms, mealworms, grubs in it, so I'll dig for that. Now, might be in a good update. This box. Oh, mama, right? Little Bubs went back in there. Little Bubs on her way out. Mum will kick her out and she's got eggs in there. Move that over. Mama here has some eggs. And I believe, I hope they got the right one. This one here has a lot of good news. Look at the bubbies. And you hear that? That's them being naughty. Look at the bubs. Lots of bubs. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you did, hit the like button, like and subscribe button. I need to do one more thing at a time because, excuse me, Mr. Quail. That there. Fill that back up with water. Not too long. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Subscribe, like, and everything else. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.